Howdy, y'all. Let's do a taste test. Uh, we have something different today for sure. It's purely Elizabeth, whatever that is. It's a Cauli hot cereal, the grain-free cauliflower-based breakfast, created to help you thrive on your wellness journey. And it's signed by Elizabeth, whoever Elizabeth is. Anyway, strawberry hazelnut. Uh, 8 grams protein, 12 grams carbs, grain free. Grain free. And one nice thing, you could take it camping with you. You can just add boiling water, let it sit, stir. I happen to microwave it. You can even make overnight oats. Da, da, da. Contains almond protein powder, coconut flakes, coconut sugar, freeze-dried cauliflower, hazelnuts, freeze-dried strawberries, chia seeds, flax seeds. Oh boy. I'm not a vegetarian. I'm a omnivore. But sometimes I try weird things, so you don't have to. You're welcome. And this, it smells kind of like cauliflower, which you don't really want at breakfast time. Wish me luck. Here I go. You really don't want to taste cauliflower at breakfast either. If you like cauliflower, you may like this. I really like cauliflower in a soup, steamed with my steak, roasted, cut up and put into a salad. I really don't like it with strawberries in my breakfast. The texture is like a close enough to oatmeal. And there's strawberries. It But I really don't want to taste cauliflower in my cereal. So thanks, Elizabeth, whoever you are, but um, it's a no. Anyway, that's what we've got. Now you know when you see Cauli hot cereal, unless you're having it for a 190 calorie cup of supper, walk on by. And actually for lunch, no, strawberry and cauliflower do not go together. That's right, Baja. Baja says no too. So that's what we've got. Um, thanks for watching. don't have your tennis ball. Yeah, Baja says no. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day. And we'll see you next time. Bye!